2021 is the beginning of a new era. It is the beginning of a time when those with an awakened consciousness will thrive. Those with an unawakened consciousness, those who are slaves of their suffering minds, will fail. Only those who are rooted in the power of the true self will succeed. In 2021, many will be the fears that society will spin. Many will be the fears media will spin. Many will be the fears your own mind will spin. But don't give in. If you have to shine brighter than you have ever done before, then you must be a Dheera in 2021. A Dheera is one whose intellect shines with the light of Dharma or universal principles. A Dheera is one who shines with the light of a courage within. Don't imagine that the more awakened you become, the more passive you will be. That is a wrong notion. An awakened being is a Dheera, the courageous one who is capable of taking fearless action. The courage of the awakened one comes from three sources. Courage comes from being able to stand up against the tricks of one's own mind by being a witness. Courage comes from being able to be rooted in the guidance of the heart without straying from your vision. Courage comes from being able to be connected to divine will and flow with it with faith. How do you build courage against the tricks of your own mind? Let me narrate a famous story from Swami Vivekananda's life. Once Swami Vivekananda was walking on the roads of Varanasi. Suddenly, a big group of red-faced monkeys began to follow him and surround him. The faster he ran, the faster they began to chase him, until suddenly a sannyasi on the roadside called out loud, "Stop running, face the brutes." When Swami Vivekananda suddenly stopped running, turned around and stood firm, the monkeys cowed down in fear and ran away. To turn around and face the terrible fears being thrown by your mind is courage. In an unawakened state, your mind is like a sponge, ever ready to soak up the fearful inputs of family, friends, and media. Those fears then begin to chase you. In an unawakened state, you either follow your fears, take their bites, and succumb to them, or you try to ignore them, which will only make your fears stronger. Only a true Dheera, only an awakened being can stand up to these fears and be a courageous witness. Like terrified monkeys, your fears will leave you. Like shadows, they will disappear in the light. Let us talk of the second kind of courage. Courage to follow your heart. Whether it was a Sri Rama who walked away into the forest, and Arjuna who blew the conch to enter the battlefield, a Bhagat Singh who looked at his enemy in the eye, or a Malala Yousafzai who took a bullet because she believed in a rebellious cause. All greatness only happens when you follow your heart's calling. Circumstances may favor you or deter you. Allies may come or alliances may break. But if you want to achieve success from 2021, follow your heart, follow your dharma. Don't buckle under pressure. Be a Dheera. Your third source of courage will be faith in the divine. Have the courage to take God for a friend. Ask the divine to sit in the driver's seat and go wherever you are taken. In the battlefield of life, If the divine drives your chariot to meet your worst enemy, look into the eyes of your enemy without fear. Wherever the divine takes you, go with faith. Nothing can destroy you. You will be raised higher than you ever were by the divine. Free of every kind of fear, fear of disease, fear of loss, fear of defeat, fear of death. Go forward to achieve your victories. You will become a true Dheera, the courageous and the victorious.